our goal was always to transform systems. And so it soon became apparent that a different kind of partnering was going to be necessary, that we couldn't work to tip every piece of the system, but we could identify partners who were working in other pieces of that system, and by leveraging from what one another was doing, not by pooling our money, but by integrating an overarching view of the system in which we were all working, staying in touch, communicating, leveraging from one another strategically and intentionally, that this was a different definition of partnership.
What are the critical missing pieces for small farmers in this food spoilage? Why is it that they're not able to use technologies to preserve the food? These are some of the questions where there are specific solutions to fill these gaps. And it's a large question, which is why it's attractive. But it demands a systematic approach to it. It demands linking missing pieces. And this is where Rockefeller is good.
The challenge in Africa has not been funding seed research alone. It's been transforming agricultural systems in such a profound way that we make a huge impact on hunger and poverty and roll it into a new structure, the Alliance for a Green Revolution for Africa, dedicate real resources from Rockefeller, both financial and human, and leadership, and drive that to success in a big way.
We really started to think about the initiative model being about attacking a system and incorporating the different parts of systems and other actors in the system, whether they're the private sector, government, the not-for-profit civil society, into how do you address and attack a big problem.
So much of our approach is about finding leverage in a system, and that really involves looking at analysis of what will actually create a tipping point, and therefore what should our role be. I think also taking a portfolio view has helped us try to look at where we're actually allocating resources, whether that's across geographies, across issue areas, against our goals, or even thinking about what the time frame or type of impact is that we're achieving. Where are we really talking about a systems change?
I think today the concept of resilience has given the Rockefeller a much broader impact across the entire globe. It's allowed policies to be developed at the grassroots level. It's mobilized academics plus researchers and practitioners in places that are both big and small.
That basic idea that we as philanthropists could no longer lead and drive change from the top, but much more had to understand what other forces were at work and help to harness them.
The Rockefeller Foundation is very, very outcome oriented. They really want to see impact. And they really want to see evidence of something gaining traction in real time. And they want to see evidence of it gaining traction at scale. They're really very interested in making sure that the larger systems that can achieve impact are engaged and are moving at an accelerated pace.